In this lecture, we have to understand how we can record the financial transaction as per the meaning of bookkeeping. Because bookkeeping means is the process of recording of financial transaction and keeping financial records. So question raised in your mind where we have to record, or suppose in what register we have to record. And before this means first lecture and in second lecture you understood what is the meaning of transaction, what is the meaning of financial transaction, and I already made the explanation means about the double entry system. As per the double entry system, means each and every transaction have a twofold aspect. So all the transaction of all type of businesses divided into means broadly divided into personal and impersonal. Then impersonal divided into real and nominal. And in second lecture, I thoroughly explained the how you can use the rule to record the transaction in a particular place, or suppose at a particular place. So real account means the only assets are come under this, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Then personal account for natural person, representatives and artificial person, debit the receiver, credit the giver. And third is your nominal account. It is specially used for expense, income, gains, debit all losses and expense, credit all gains and expenses. So now I start this to record the transaction. Base is the bookkeeping is the process of recording of financial transaction. But where we have to record, so I will give explanation about that. But before this, business, and this is a businessman. This is a business means entity. Business and businessman both are distinct from each other. Means in a general parlance, some persons think just like businessman is the owner. Who is the owner? So businessman means proprietor is the of that business. But think about that. We have to record the transaction of a business activity, not of a businessman. This is very important and don't make any confusion in your mind. I say here, means I want to repeat that, business and the businessman distinct from each other. Means you can't say just like we have to record the transaction of a businessman. We have to record the transaction of a business to find out the profit of that business activity. For the businessman, that is a different matter, because you can say just like, oh, he is a owner. So I want to again repeat, we have to record the transaction of that business activity, not of the businessman or the owner of that business. So kept in your mind, businessman and business both are distinct from each other. So we have to record the transaction for businesses. So think about that. I already mentioned or suppose made explanation events word, event. And you all are known person about that, the meaning of event. That is a different matter because this event word is common. When I attach that event word with finance, so the meaning of that event change. Because in your bookkeeping I say is the process of recording of financial transaction. So it is clear here the events may be monetary and non-monetary. And those transactions, or suppose those events are expressed in terms of money, so I want to record of that transaction in a business. And suppose events means you can't express in terms of money, so I can't record the transaction as per the bookkeeping. So you understand here what is the meaning of bookkeeping. It is very easy now, simple to learn or be store in your mind. That is the process of recording of financial transaction. Financial transaction means financial transaction of business, not a businessman. And keeping financial record because it is a historical data. Means we have to pass the entries of transactions. Means I say of a transaction. That's why there is a need to keep the record. Means keep the record of financial transaction for future. So in future you will get information about the business activity. And we already learned about that, what type of transactions or what type of expenses means incur in business. The first is very important to learn that. This businessman, the name of that business, suppose Ram. The name of businessman is the Ram. In simple word, we are saying Ram is the owner of this business. So Ram wants to use the name Ram Trader. Ram Trader. Ram Trader. This is the name of the business, Ram Traders. Ram Traders. So I want to record the transaction of Ram Traders, not of Ram. Ram wants to start the business. This is the business. Ram wants to start the business. Please, can you say without the investment in business, Ram can start the business? The answer is no. Means in initial stage there is a need of investment to start the business. So Ram invested, suppose 50 lakh. Suppose 50 lakh. Ram invested rupees 50 lakh to start the business. So I have to think on behalf of business. Now I am Ram at this point. I am Ram. Ram invested 50,000 to start the business. Now I have to think on behalf of business. Now I am business. What happened here? Business say, who invested in Ram Traders? Ram invested in Ram Traders to start the business. So what happened here? Ram invested 50,000 in Ram Traders. It means that Ram wants this 50,000 from his business in future. That is very important. And when you think on behalf of business, so you will get the answer before this. But business say, I have to pay 50 lakh to Ram. If suppose Ram is not interested in this business. So by this explanation, it is very clear here that 50 lakh, when I think on behalf of suppose business, it is a liability. Because there is a need to return to Ram. And Ram say here, I want that 50,000 from his business. And that is a different matter. We are saying just like, Ram is the owner. So there is no need of differentiate. Differentiate in general parlance. But as further, bookkeeping and accountancy, I will give this answer or explanation about accountancy, because accountancy, it is an art. So there is a need to think separately about that accountancy, because recording of transaction, it is not a part of bookkeeping. It is a art. Accountancy, it is a part of accountancy. I want to say here, accountancy is a art and science of recording. So how you can record the transaction? Where we have to record the transaction, we have to learn that where we have to record the transaction. By this explanation, you get the meaning, or suppose clarify whatever confusion raised in your mind. Means what is that business, for what purpose we have to record the transaction for that business, not for that businessman. Because I made explanation, I want to repeat for that. Businessman is the owner, yes. Ram invested 50 lakh in businessman, in business. So Ram want that 50 lakh from that business activity. But when I think on behalf of business, so you will get the answer. Business say this is my liability. Means the business say I have to pay 50 lakh to Ram whenever Ram in need. And after that, I want to make explanation where we have to record all the transaction of a business. That register can be called as journal. 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 The meaning of journal means, I say it is a place, it is a register. Before naming to that register, all are the register are registered, but when I say, means I put a name, journal, means we have to record all the transaction in a journal. But the word is jour. This jour derived from French language. That is very important. French language. As per the French language, jour means date. So you get information that we have to record all the transaction date wise in a journal. Means journal, in a journal you can record all the transaction of that particular business in a chronological order. In Russia, journal used as a evidence in court. That is also important for your means interview. The ruling of journal, just like the first column is your date, then second is your particular, and here is debit amount and credit amount, and the LF. This is the ruling of your journal, and it is very simple for sketching. The first column of the journal, that is date, and there is no need to make explanation why I write down here date. Then the second is particular, and third is ledger folio, and this is your debit amount, and that is a credit amount. Suppose I say Ram Trader, means this is a journal of Ram Trader. Ram Trader. T-R-A-D-E-R. Ram Trader. This is a journal of Ram Trader. Means I want to pass journal entry. I am not saying in the books of Ram. I say in the books of Ram Trader, in the books of Ram Trader. Journal in the books of Ram Trader. Suppose I say Ram is the owner of that Ram Trader. He started business by investing 50,000. 50,000. He started business by investing 50,000 to start the business. So think about this transaction. Is it a financial transaction? It is a financial transaction because Ram started business with rupees 50,000. So that 50,000 means cash. It is a cash. So as per based the double entry system, think about that all assets come under the head real account. Now firstly about the transaction, we have to think what is this. This cash, it is asset, it is a person or expense, income, gain, etc. But you understood what is that cash. Cash, it is a asset. So this asset come under the head real accounts. So define that rule, debit what comes in. So my request to you, raise a question to that transaction, what comes in your business. What comes in your business? I said business started. Business started by investing 50,000 in the form of cash. So cash is an asset. So raise the question, what comes in your business? Because we have to pass the transaction for Ram trader. So you have to think and you understand, you are not you are now business. That is very important. You are not you are now business. So you will get automatically the answer. So I am a business now. I am not an investor. I am a business. So business say and business raise a question to that transaction. What comes in my business? So I will get an answer. Cash comes in your business. And here say debit what comes in. So I want to record just like cash account debited. Cash account debited. I say debited, but we have to use abbreviation, that is TR. And second is credit what goes out. But what happened here? Ram started business. That is very important. Ram started business. So Ram is a person. Ram is a person. So Ram come under the personal account. And I made explanation about the personal. Means persons may be natural person, artificial person, and representative. So we have to think now, the owner of this business is a representative, is a natural person, or what is that? Natural person. So you can say he is a natural person. You can say just like he is a natural because now on the basis of name. But in this activity, Ram is a representative because directly I can't say just like cash account debited to, because when I define the personal account rule, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So business think who is the giver, who is the receiver. In this transaction, Ram is not receiver, Ram is the giver. Ram is the giver or this, because you are now business. So you accept it, Ram is a giver. So credit goes to Ram. But I say he is the owner. He is a representative of capital. That is very important. He is a representative of capital. So you understand what I want to start this, what I want to make explanation, and why I will put more pressure for that transaction again and again, because this is the first entry of each and every business, every company, or suppose non-profit organization. Without this it is not possible. That's why I put some pressure. So I want to repeat, Ram invested. Ram started business with rupees 50,000. So you have to give name, that is a capital. So credit goes to, as per the representative, to capital account. to capital account. There is no need to indicate that is credit. So how much amount he invested? 50,000. So here is the 50,000, and here is also 50,000. And we have to give explanation about this entry. So that explanation in business accounting language, the narration. So you have to give narration. It's very simple. Being business started, being business started, or being capital invested, you can say just like, but being word attached with this, and you will get a meaning and sketch the line. So you get the answer as per the bookkeeping and bookkeeping is the process. This is a process. Means firstly we have to understand. We have to understand. What understand? Think about the transaction. What is that transaction? In this, I say Ram invested, or Ram started the business by investing 50,000. So you have to think on behalf of. I want to say, don't say on behalf of. Now you are not you. You are the business. So automatically you will get an answer. What answer you will get? Oh, this is a liability of me. I have to return to Ram. But in this business, or suppose the businessman, he is a representative of this capital. No one can say or to record cash account debited to Ram, because Ram here is not a third party. As means he is the owner and he is the representative of capital. So cash account debited to capital account. After that, suppose this business purchase furniture. Purchase furniture for rupees 10,000. For rupees 10,000. So what happened here? This is a transaction, financial transaction. I say furniture purchase for rupees 10,000. So firstly think, what is that? Furniture. Furniture, it is an asset. This asset come under the head real account, because all tangible assets come under. What is the rule? Debit what comes in. Raise a question. What comes in your business? Business say, business say, business say. What comes in my business? Furniture comes in my business. So think about debit what comes in. Furniture. Furniture account debited to what goes out from my business? What goes out from my business? लक्ष दे इकडे. What goes out from my business? Cash goes out from my business. Cash goes out from my business. So to cash account. To cash account. That is very important. And pass the narration being furniture purchase. Being furniture purchase. That is very important. Means there is a need explanation of entry. So means you understand what is the meaning of journal. For what purpose we have to record the transaction as per the bookkeeping. Means it is a process. It is the process of recording. This is the process. First means what happened here? Means roughly all transaction, roughly in rough book, the businessman recorded the transaction, and we have to record as per the accountancy, because accountancy is an art and science. As per the whatever principle and techniques laid down mentioned in the business language, so we have to use it. So this is the principle. Suppose means it is a principle and this is the technique. So record just like cash account debited to capital account, then furniture account debited to cash account. There is 10,000. So we have to understand. Means we have to understand how we can record the transaction. So we will take more and more means the transactions or clarification about different types of transaction, how you can define real account, personal account and nominal account to find out the profit or loss of that particular business. So you will get more and more information in next periods.